Sopronio Vasquez becomes first Filipino to win The Voice USA.
Sopronio
Filipino singer Sopronio Vasquez won this year's The Voice USA. Sopronio's victory makes him the first Asian and first Filipino to win the competition. Michael Bublé served as Sopronio's coach throughout the singing contest. Sopronio previously competed in a Showtime segment, Tawag ng Tanghalan, where he finished third.